Cute Kids. Hello everyone, my name is Nelly. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and her family in the car so easy. Let's start drawing. First, we draw the car very quickly. Start with the rearview mirror. Then draw the hood of the car. Draw a car windshield. Then we draw the lamp. Oh, it's a convertible. Then draw for wheels. The wheels turn and turn, running briskly on the road. Let's draw Daddy Pig. His eyes. His nose. Then draw his face and ears. Well, Daddy Pig has a beard. Next to him, we draw Mommy Pig. She is driving the car with a big smile on her face. Behind the parents, we draw Peppa Pig and George Pig. First, we draw Peppa Pig. I start with her eyes, her nose, and her smiling mouth.
draw George Pig next to her. Both of them were very happy and excited about this trip. Both of them smiled happily. Don't forget to buckle up for Peppa Pig and her family. Remember, kids, we need to wear seat belts to protect ourselves when we are in the car. Finally, let's draw the road and the pine trees in the roadside. Now we are going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. That's it! Now let's start coloring together. Pink. Mommy Pig's shirt is orange. Daddy Pig and George's shirts are blue. Pink. Charcoal blue. Green. Dark green. Black. Red. Next, we color the pine tree with green and brown. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.